it's me, Kato. I have a question. It's time for a poll. How many of you snore? Lots snore. I snore. I snore a lot. And I took one of my mom's books and I read about sleep apnea. And just because you snore doesn't mean you have sleep apnea. And just because you have sleep apnea doesn't mean you snore. I wish they wouldn't wake me up though. It would be nice to just sleep through the night for once, but every time I snore, they wake me up.